Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. So yes guys, we're back again with another punch video. You guys have been loving my mix up punches. So today I'm going to bring a new one that I have created. Me not think me ever see this before on YouTube. So today, as you see by the title, I'm going to be making cow foot and cow skin punch. Yes, guys. I just want to show you some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have my blended oats. Gonna be using my blended oats. Also going to be using surge milk. Yeah guys, nice surge milk. I'm going to be using Betty condensed milk, and I'm going to top it off with some Ray and Nephew rum. Yes guys, just to tell you a little benefits of the different ingredients that I'm going to be using. And as you know guys, I'm going to be using cow foot. So yeah, me have my cow foot and my cow skin then cut up fine in my pot. So yeah, and I'm also, these are for flavoring my vanilla, my mixed spice, and my almond flavoring, right? So these are for taste. Just to kind of give you a little, benefits of the different ingredients that I'm going to be using today. The oats is like, it's fiber, so if you have trouble, constipation and so forth, it's good to put the oats in it. So that's it. The oats is just fiber, right? Just a fiber. And the cow foot now, the benefits of the cow foot. So cow foot is full of a lot of nutrients, which is good to boost your immune system. So it's good to consume cow foot and cow skin, because it helps you to fight against diseases, because it builds your immune system. So it's really good. It also build your bones as well, because the cow skin itself has a protein in it called collagen, which is very important for holding bones together. So if you have any form of disease, or even if you have a broken bone, you can consume cow foot and cow skin, and it will help you to heal a little faster, a little better. So yeah guys, that is just the whole rundown of different type of ingredients that I am using for my cow foot punch. You can call it cow foot punch, cow foot smoothie. So yeah guys, this is my cow foot, beautiful cow foot. Just want to see it, my cow skin. I already wash it off and everything, but I got pressure. I'm gonna put some water in it and put it to pressure. I'm gonna put a lot of water in it guys, lot of water in it, because the water I'm gonna use off of it to make the punch. And then I got me pressure cooker. Now we are catch fire. We put away cow foot and cow skin pan. So yeah. So the something still at pressure. So yeah. So my things them over there, so I go strain off the water. Yeah guys, I go strain off the water out of this. Because I go use make the punch. this is the water from the boiled cow skin and cow foot. I'm gonna add milk to it. I'm gonna add my milk to it. Mix it around. Then I'm gonna add this to it. Some oats to it. You guys know what's thick. Make my oats to it. You guys, and some rum, rare never rum we are putting on it. Some rum. I put my essence spice. I put my vanilla. Mix it. I don't know all the oats. I'm blending the oats now. So here guys, after I do that, after I mix the oats, I go put in the lettuce now. Add the condensed milk to it. Just to put back body nice. Yeah, adding it in a cup and put it to cool in the fridge, and then we're gonna do our own little tasting. So yes guys, this is how it is, how it looks. I'll put it. Yeah guys, this is how my cow skin punch is looking. So you see guys, when it cool, or we get thick. So yeah, so that the video can spread to more viewers. Yes guys, today I'm going to be doing a big cooking. I'm going to be cooking Yeah, guys, you get thick.